Hey guys, it's Ashley, Carolina Trailer Sales, carolinatrailersales.com. We're located in Pine Hall, North Carolina. We are by appointment only, and the best way to reach me is 828-773-4500. This is a 2018 Merhow 8009 stock combo with a full mid-tack, 5-foot short wall mid-tack, excuse me. This trailer was sold new. It was a one owner. It is a 28-foot box, a 9-foot short wall, 5-foot mid-tack with a ramp, 12-foot stock back, 14-foot stock back, 14-foot stock back, not 12. Sorry about that, guys. It is all aluminum. It is 8 wide. It is 7'6" tall. So a really great size with a 28-foot box here. A couple things. It has a stainless nose. It's got 2 propane tanks, 2 batteries, a hydraulic jack. This trailer does have some scratches. I'm going to point those out. It is white in color, no graphics. I'm going to show you here is one scratch on the side. I'm going to come on down. There's another few here, a few here. There's no dents. It's just the paint is taken off on those scratches. So the paint is taken down on those couple of scratches that I just pointed out here on this side of the trailer, the short wall side, or long wall side, excuse me, driver's side. I've got the mid-tack open with the ramp. It does have an escape door. It does have the stock back that you can put plexi. There are aluminum pieces made for this trailer. They're in the mid-tack, so if you wanted to enclose this trailer, it does have some aluminum, white pieces of aluminum. You can close this trailer up. The stock back part. It's got the load light package on either side of the trailer and on the rear. Aluminum wheels. Come back and go. Let me go up the ramp to this mid-tack. All right, so super convenient to load the trailer, your horse box, or your mid-tack. Load your mid-tack, load your LQ. It's got a 5-foot mid-tack pie-shaped. It's got a hanging bar they've put in aftermarket, set of bridle hooks. It's got a walk-through door to the horse box. It's got a walk-through door to the LQ. 4-tier saddle rack. The aluminum that I was speaking of is there in the floor. So the aluminum is there in the floor. So again, it does have a light here on the inside, a LED light with a switch. The walls are lined with the fabric that, it's kind of a wicking fabric. If you were to hang bridles along this wall, they're not gonna obviously make the white wall have the marks on it. It's an insulated mid-tack, so it is also insulated. The ceiling is insulated. So that's super nice. So real big open area, and then that ramp off the side, which makes it real convenient again to load things in. I believe I mentioned it had an escape door. It has butterfly back doors, so 2 back doors. It is a 14-foot stock back. It's got the 2 rubber bumpers. If you need to haul a side-by-side, this will work, especially for the mere fact that it has a rolling cut gate. So that cut gate does move. I've got it pushed all the way forward. In my pictures, I've got it pushed all the way back. So it does have a moving, rolling cut gate. Right now, I've got it pushed all the way forward to the escape door. So it's got ample space for you to load whatever. If you needed to load other things in that first box, you could, or you can move that cut gate into 2 boxes. You can move the cut gate all the way to the back. So again, it is 8 wide, 7'6" tall, rolling cut gate. You know what? Didn't get in here to get your empty weight. Empty weight is 9,700. So 9,700 is the empty weight of this trailer. So it's not a real heavy trailer. You look on this side, make sure there's nope, that's the stock side. We got a few scratches here on the inside of the door. That's atypical. Stock back is in great shape otherwise. The only other thing that, I'll fault it for is the DOT tape is kind of faded. You can replace that. That's minimal. Fenders are good. It's got a brush box on this door. I did notice a dent on this door right here. Looks like a little dent here. Just pointing those out. I will also note, and it's hard to see, there's a couple of scratches across the top, looks like from trees. Again, that's sap. Typically that will come off. We just don't do that type cleaning. We'll do a professional clean inside and out, but we don't get into buffing and things like that. So I do think that that will come off, and it's minimal. Brand new awning fabric. Again, this is a 9-foot short wall. It is a Next Generation, so what does that mean? It's all real wood interior. This is all real wood, soft touch walls. This is the riser wall layout, so it's a 9-foot. I think this is one of the best layouts with no slide. So scanning up, it's got cabinets all the way around. A corner cabinet here, you can put a TV or great storage there. Cabinets all the way around. Two steps up to the bed area. Couch does make a bed. It is a ducted AC propane furnace. The TV here on the wall will swivel all the way around so you can see it from the bed easily. You can actually see it from the bathroom. Ask me how I know that. Little secret. I used to use these layout trailers a lot. I have demoed the 9 and the 11, probably two of my most favorite layouts with no slides. 2 drawers underneath the couch there for storage. You've got cabinets underneath this, double stainless sink, glass top microwave, glass top stove microwave. It's got a radio that you can actually inside outside speakers, and you can play CDs in this TV. Big fridge, drawer underneath that big fridge. You've got storage here. Storage above that fridge. Bathroom does have a sink, and this is the one that I will tell you, you cannot get your arms in there. So it is small, but it is another sink in the bathroom, which is nice to have a separate sink. But again, you have to kind of stand out. You cannot get in over that sink. I like to always explain that in these 9-foot short walls. Walk-through door, and of course that walk-through door goes to the Midtack. Cabinet behind the toilet. Pocket bathroom door. Fantastic fan. Corner shower. They put a mirror on the door, bathroom door. The corner showers are quite roomy, to be honest with you. Again, I've demoed these layout trailers, so I can attest to that. I've used them. Pretty much covered everything. Again, great layout, soft touch walls. I think I've kind of gone through everything. Trailer's in excellent shape. So to recap, this would be this kind of shows you the colors a little bit better with natural light. It's a real pretty trailer. So recap, this is an 8009 RWS stock combo. This has a 14-foot stock back, a 5-foot Midtack with a side ramp, a 9-foot LQ. This trailer was sold new in 2018. It has had 1 owner. This is Carolina Trailer Sales. This is Ashley. The best way to reach me, 828-773-4500. You guys have a great day.